Can you fill in the gap? Stay till the end of today's lesson to find out the answer. Hello, my favorite student, and welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Speaker. My name is Tanya. Today is lesson 3 out of 6 in the series about the most confusing words in the English language. Today's words are particularly difficult for speakers of Russian, Mandarin Chinese, Japanese, German, French, and Spanish languages. They either have no direct translation or have differences in usage. These words are stay and leave. Stay means not to move away or not to leave a place or a situation. For example, I stay at home at weekends. Leave means to go away from someone or something. For example, I leave home at 8 o'clock. So imagine if you are at a friend's place and it's time for you to go home, you say, I need to leave now. But if you decide to spend more time at your friend's place, you say, I'll stay a little longer. Now let's practice and fill in the gaps with stay and leave. The first one. Every morning I leave my house at 8 a.m. Number 2. When it rains, I prefer to stay inside. Sentence 3. I had to leave the party early because I felt tired. Sentence 4. Are you going to stay at home during the holidays? Sentence 5. Please don't leave your bags here. Now let's go back to the beginning of today's lesson and stay or leave. I leave my bike next to the entrance. Well done. Good job. Now I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, like this video, share it with your friend or a family member, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. But that's it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!